Hello everyone, I'm Valerie Ciasoro. At this video, we're going to learn about discrete logic mathematics and I will teach you how to get it. So in here, we will have some discrete mathematics logic. So our problem here is if P negotiation of P and Q. So this is our problem. So first, let's draw a columns. So in our first column, we have P, and the second is Q. So we're gonna put here a true, true, false, false. So in our Q, we have here true, false, true, false. So our third column, we have P and Q. And our fourth have negotiation of P and Q. And the fifth is this whole problem. If P negotiation of P and Q. So in P and Q, to get this, we must look at the P and Q if they are both true. Then we can answer this column as true. So since this is both true, the answer is true. So true, false. There's a presence of false, so this is false. False, true. This is false. And false, false means false. So in here, in our third column, we have here a negotiation of P and Q. In here, this is the exact opposite of column P and Q. In here, we'll look if there are both false, means it's true. So in our first column here, the answer is, so since this is both false, means this is true. And in here, there is a present of false, means this is true. And then false, false means true again. So in here, if P, negotiation of P and Q, if there is a false present, means false, it means false. But if negotiation of P and Q have false, means it's false. So in here, we have here true, so it means these are true. Then since this is true and this is false, this means this is false because we don't base on phi, we base on here, so this is false. So in our next example, we have here P or not Q if and only if R. In here, we have three letters, which is P, Q, and R. So again, we will make a column. This time, we have three columns since this is 3. We have here the P, Q, and the R. So in here, we will put true, 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 false, 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 false. In the next column, which is the Q, we have true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. Then the last column, which is the R, we have true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. So we make here another column for not Q. So in here, this is the exact opposite of Q. So since it's true, the Q here is true, we will put false, false, true, true, false, false, true, true. In the next column, we have P or not Q. Is it right? Yes, it's right. P or not Q. So in here, we must find if there is true presence in the given column, or look for the true to be true. So this is true, 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 false, false, true, true. So in the last column, we will put this in here. So P or not Q if and only if R. So in here, we must check if there is a double true or false in R and P or not Q. So here and here will be here. So this is both true. This means it's true. This is false true. This means false. This is true true means true. This is false true means false. This is true false means false. This is false false means true. This is true true means true. And lastly, false true means false.